So I'm going to show you how you can earn $150. You can even earn $50 with this method, or even $40. So make sure you stick around all the way to the end, because I'm going to go into details and show you how you can start making this type of money just by earning. And the good thing about this method, it is worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you'll be able to do this. Plus, if you stay at the end of this video, I'm going to give you some really cool tips, and I'm going to give you some bonus scripts that I put together that you can swipe and deploy and you can use right away. So let's jump right into the video. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre, and as I said on my last video, I'm going to start doing some giveaways. So make sure you keep watching this video all the way to the end, because you never know which one of these videos I'm going to do a giveaway. And I'm going to give away something big, and it's going to be some monetary. Maybe I'll give away an Amazon gift card, or I'll just give away an Apple gift card, or I'll just give away money. So make sure you have PayPal, and keep watching this video, because when you watch this video and you give this video a thumbs up, not only that you're liking the video and telling me that, hey, I really liked your video, but other people out there is, it will be seeing this type of video, and it will help them along this journey. So I'm going to show you can make $150 for absolutely free using this method that I'm going to share with you in this video. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be hopping over to YouTube. And why I'm going over to YouTube, I'm not telling you to come over here and create any videos. That's not what you're doing. The method that I'm going to share with you is only a small group of people knows about this stuff, because I did some research and see that not a lot of people already doing this. So if you type in cash cow, right, so cash cow, just like this, you'll see that this particular niche just started off, and there's people that are typing into, look at this, how to start a YouTube cash cow channel, top 3 niche, how to do a top 3 most profitable cash cow niche in 2021. Look over here, how to create a cash cow video, how to create a cash cow automation. So what these guys are doing, they're using an amazing method, and they're going out there, and what cash cow is basically start creating YouTube channel and also reselling that particular YouTube channel. So people out there want to monetize. This guy right here is crushing it. All right, he's crushing it using this same cash cow channel, because people are using YouTube channel and they're monetizing that channel, and then when they monetize it, they're gonna be making money. So that's how cool this is. So I'm gonna walk you through how you're gonna be doing this. As I said, you're not gonna be making any videos, putting yourself out there. There's a lot of people that is online that want to start video, but they're afraid to go on video, and they also afraid to put their voice on video. So this is where you come in. And what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be heading over to the particular website that is called Fiverr. And what Fiverr is, it's a great freelancer website. Now, I'm not telling you to come on here and sell anything. I'm not telling you to do any voiceover. Stick with me, stay with me, because as I told you before, I'm going to give you the script and some information that you can use to even get more customers inside of your business. So if you look over here, there's logo design, there's WordPress, there's voiceover, there's video explanation, explainer, and also social media. So for the video, there's tons of different people want to get into the automation and create YouTube videos. So on here, these are what these people are doing. And if you type in YouTube video, all right, if you type in YouTube video content creator, you'll find that there's a bunch of people that are offering their services. There's like $10. They're starting at 10. They're starting at 5. So there's tons of people. Believe it or not, there's still a lot of people that don't know exactly about Fiverr. You probably think a lot of people know Fiverr, but trust me, there's a lot of people don't. You can also use Upwork as well if you want to use it. So what we're going to be doing is we're going over to Fiverr. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Once you scroll down all the way down to the bottom, what we're going to be doing, we're going to go here where it says affiliate. So right under community, we're going to sign up for the affiliate program. And the reason why we're going to be signing up for the affiliate program, because you don't have to do Fiverr gig to even make money. So once you come on here and you can boost your earning by driving a lot of traffic, which I'm going to share with you, over here you can choose a commission plan and earn up to $1,000 for a single conversion. Think about that for a second. Can you imagine someone buy one of their services and you make $1,000? That is awesome. That is money. So it's pretty simple, easy step. All you have to do is just join their affiliate program. All right, you're going to promote Fiverr and you can start earning money. Now, if you want to look at their commission plan and the commission structure, you could click on this and you could see here the commission plan that they offer here is a sweet, very good commission plan. So for Fiverr CPA, anywhere from like 15 to 150, $10 per CPA, and this is like 10% rev content. So if you're into the business side of things, guess what? You're going to be making $100 every time somebody signs up. So if someone spends $100 plus 10%, commission, you're going to be making money time and time again. So they offer these type of commissions, and all you have to do is try to make sure that you're promoting these services. It has to be the Fiverr Pro, because if it's not Fiverr Pro, there's no way you're going to be making $150 per commission, and that's what we're shooting for. Now, some of you probably said, well, how people are going to sign up for this? Stay with me here. Stay with me here. What we're going to do is we're going to be signing up for the affiliate program by clicking on Start Now. And you can click on the account type. So the account type, right? The account type, you can go with private. If you don't have a company, go with private. Put your first name here, put your last name. You want to make sure that you put in the correct email address, because you don't want to put in a fake one. You want to put a username, put a password, create a password, and a country type. So it doesn't matter where you're from. These are different countries that you can use, and you can sign up and you can get started. So you could sign up for the Fiverr. You can put in your Skype, put your phone number, click on next, and then once you go into the dashboard, you're going to be able to get started right now. So you're going to look for the different services. As I said, there's YouTube, but we also want to do voiceover. So with voiceover and those things, right over here, look at this. That's like $60. This person is starting at 10. This person over here is starting at 25. But you see there's 50, there's 150, there's 50, there's 100. Look at this. This is Pro. So if somebody signed up for this Pro right here for $100, you're going to be making money. So this again, 130, you're going to be making money. So you want to make sure that you're advertising everything that is listed Pro verified. So anything that's Pro verified, there it is, 125, 50. And how are we going to be finding traffic? We're going to be finding traffic by heading over to Facebook. And as I said to you earlier, I have these scripts that I want to give to you. So we're going to go into Facebook, and the first thing we're going to do, we're going to type in YouTube Cash Cow, and you're going to be joining all these Facebook groups. Now you're going to be signing these Facebook groups. Make sure you read their rules, make sure you read their policies, make sure that you have good friends with the admin. What I always do, I always reach out to the admins and say, hey, hope everything is great. If there's anything, please let me know. If I can keep an eye out for you. So when you build that relationship with the admin, guess what? The admin don't mind you posting certain things, because you're going to be talking to them and helping out. So once you sign these groups, look at this, Mr. Beast. You're going to be joining these groups. And once you join them, you're going to be using these scripts that I put together. Now, you could be creative and you can come up with your own little thing. So if you're allowed to post in any one of these groups, here are 3 things that I come up with that you can use. First one is, would you like to grow your YouTube channel but not sure where to start? And you always want to put a question mark. Comment down below. So the people who comment, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be sending the affiliate link. So once they sign up through that affiliate link, now the next thing that you're going to do, you're going to be receiving money as soon as they sign up. So you can get paid in PayPal. There's other payment method that you can do. And here's another one. Here's another one. Brand new method to help you monetize your channel. You can do that too. Who wants the best method to grow their channel? So these are three things or three different ways that I put together, right? You can pause the video right here. You can write it down and you could use this. You can also come up with your own method, come up with your own style, your own way, and see if it's going to work. Once you start getting people signing up through your affiliate link, through your affiliate program that you sign up with, you're going to be making money. And the money is going to roll in, and that's how you can get paid. 50 bucks, 150 or more just by doing this. And it's absolutely worldwide. But if you're looking for a better way how to start earning money and you don't know where to start, I invite you to check out the first link in the description. And once you sign up for that, you'll be getting tons of trainings that you can get started and you can learn more about affiliate marketing. I appreciate you. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, like, subscribe, because the giveaway is going to be coming. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it tonight or the next night, but make sure you watch the community board right here and make sure you're following me on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, because anytime I drop this, you're going to be the first one to know. Catch you in the next video. Peace.